Thesis statements must provide clarity and direction. Subjects and verbs are instrumental to doing so. Take this thesis statement, for example. Take your time reading it a few times. Click pause, and when you feel you have digested it fully, just click play again. Okay, I see you're back. Let's go right to the subject of the main clause, Chinua Achebe. In this sentence, what is he doing? Is he using, or is he perhaps displaying? In my opinion, when I consider the whole sentence, the sentence seems to be about how the story displays how this emphasis on strength and manliness has drastic consequences. The subject, though, and the verb could be more precise. For example, what if we deleted Chinua Achebe uses, and this word too, and then we added an S here? Would the main clause be more clear? That Okonkwo's story displays how the emphasis on strength and manliness has drastic consequences? I think so. And what about the beginning of the sentence? It is nice that it begins with an introductory phrase to highlight the arrival of the main clause. But this introductory phrase could be more precise, could be more specific. What will be better? Well, it's tough for us to know since we haven't read the rest of the paper, but suppose the rest of the paper deals with how Achebe contrasts men and women in his book. Would this make for a better introductory set of words? Because of his juxtaposition of men and women in Things Fall Apart. I think so. And if you're not familiar with this word, you could just say contrast. Or perhaps the rest of the paper is about the pressures we put on ourselves. Again, we could replace this introductory set of words with something else, like through exposing the pressures we put on ourselves and things fall apart. Now, for every change, consider its effects on the rest of the sentence. Here, for example, when we added exposing, we have to wonder whether it's Okonkwo's story that's exposing, or whether Achebe himself must make a return to the thesis statement. I'll leave that one for you.